everyone, welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Uh, as in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject Companies Law. So in today's video, we'll discuss about this topic, other privileges of private company. As in the previous videos, we already discussed the other privileges related to private independent sector companies, related to directors also. So in this video, we'll discuss the second part of that video. So before starting the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi, and you can also watch the videos. Links are provided in the description box. So today's topic is the privileges of private company, which is not related to directors also. So these are: a private company is free from any restrictions to give loans to other companies to its groups, which is mentioned in the section 370. An independent private company may freely make an investment to acquire, by way of subscription, purchase, or otherwise shares or debentures in companies belonging to its group or their companies also, which is mentioned in the section 372. So there is no restriction for the private sector companies to give loans to other companies and related to investments also. An independent private company may keep its affairs confidential. No person other than a member of company concerned shall be entitled to inspect or obtain copies of the profit and loss account of the company submitted in triplicate to the registrar of companies, which is mentioned in the section 220AI or 1. So no other person is allowed to view all the documents, copies of accounts also, other than the members of the company. No appeal can be made to the central government on the refusal of the directors of an independent private company to transfer or transmit its shares, which is mentioned in the section 111 and 13. So no appeal can be made against the refusal of directors of independent private company. According to section 111, second part of the Companies Amendment Act 1988, in the case of independent private company where the right to any shares or interest of member transmitted by a sale thereof is refused to be registered by the company, the transferee or transferor may make an appeal to the central government. So if there is any issue related to interest of shares, it can be transferred to the central government also. Next privileges is: an independent private company may make any provisions for the meeting of board of directors as per the wish, which is mentioned in the section 170. And an independent private company may advance loans for the purpose of buying its own shares, which is mentioned in the section 377 too. So there is a liability, there is freedom in the case of related to the regarding the meeting of board of directors according to their choice, and related to advance loans also. And the last but not the least, which is: in a private company of less than 7 members having a share capital, any member can demand for a poll on the resolution of the company's general meeting. If the company has more than 7 members, any 2 members can make a demand for a poll, which is mentioned in the section 179(1). So these are other privileges which are related to the independent private company. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So there is a freedom to private company regarding the loans, regarding the investment in the companies also. They can keep their affairs confidential except the members of the companies. No appeal can be made against the refusal of against the directors of the company. Independent private company can make provisions regarding the meeting of board of directors. So this is all about the other provisions, other privileges related to private sector companies. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, or companies law, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.